All right, everybody, welcome. Online Tech Ad again here. I just want to give you just a very short, just a short video here, real quick, and an update on the solar panels that I have at my farm. And we have 8 panels there, and it looks like there's a problem right now, potential problem, maybe not, but that 6 panels are working and 2 potentially are not. And what there is there's an inverter for every 2 panels. So there are 4 inverters up there. And the reason I knew that is because once I was able to download the software to monitor the system to see actually how much electricity is being made, I noticed it right away. So this is just a simple app that's on my phone that I connect out there. I have to go out there and connect my phone to it because I don't have Wi-Fi out there. So I do not have internet with this system, so I just connect from my phone. So you can see US Cellular right here. And this is kind of shows you the overall data of everything I've made. It says lifetime energy right here and so on. So it's just the startup page, I guess. And then here it is. So this is the real-time data, and it's basically I just took a screenshot of my phone. This would obviously change on the angle of the sun or if a cloud comes by or whatever. But this was a very sunny day, and this was on April 26th. And right away I'm like, oh great, the panels are the max they could make is 305 watts. That's the max. Now they're not going to make the max probably until the sun, maybe June or so, hopefully. So anyway, so 245 to 250 right now is pretty good. But as you notice here, I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 panels working. There's 2 panels that are offline. Now it could be a software issue, or it could be an inverter issue of some sort. But since the system just got up and running, what I want them to do is I want them to check it out. So I was able to contact them right away, and they're really good about it. And normally, if I had internet, they could just check it. But since I don't have internet there, they can't check it. So I let them know this. I sent them a screenshot, and they're coming out hopefully sometime this week, and they're going to check these 2 panels to make sure they're working. Now, at Oregon Middle School, we have the same thing. Mr. Weiland, he's got the program. He can monitor each panel. If there's a panel down, the inverter down, then go ahead and they can address it. So that's the beauty of the newer technology also with solar, where if this was 15, 20 years ago, they'd have to physically go up there and check it. Now, we can just use this software. So, I was pretty impressed with this. I did get an electric bill, and the electric bill is a little goofy right now because I don't have a full month's worth of electric, but I want to say I made like $10 in electricity, which is not a lot, in like 19 days. Or I don't even know what it was, to be honest. But I'll probably have that data for you next time because I'll be able to have the full data of a full month. So I'm not quite there of collecting everything yet. So that's just it. And if I go, now this was a day where it was raining, and this was on the 29th, and it rained all day, and it was cloudy all day, and obviously they made 10 watts, 11, 11, 10, 10, 10. So even when the sun wasn't out, hardcore, it was cloudy, we still made a little bit of electricity. So I guess there's 2 takeaways, and I know you know this already from what I've said, is that downfall of solar. I guess there's 2 here. 1, you got to get it working correctly, and 2, if it's not as sunny out, it's not going to make. Okay, the advantage though, it's clean energy, but we want to work on the average. We're not talking about every day. We're going to work on the average of what we want to try to gain. So the sun's not out, we're not making it, and we have this data information right here to look at to see, if there is a problem, how can we address it, and also just to kind of show what things are going on. So no assignment, just giving you what's up. Hope everything's going well. You want to shoot me an email? You got any ideas? I'm listening. or comments, I'm listening. I always like to hear that stuff. So have a good one. Take care.